The law students proceed forward as the leaders to pay their highest respect to the school. It is indeed a pleasure to warmly welcome our distinguished guests, led in march by the school band. With deep reverence, the principal, together with the vice principals, teachers, and parents, team and contributed to this performance. Today we have gathered at a special ceremonial event and we have eagerly awaited investiture. We respectfully invite our esteemed principal, Mrs. Chandrika Vikramarachi, our special guest, Mr. Lecturer, Mr. Indusiri Abhay Vikrama, and our special guest, Divisional Education Director, Mrs. Mithila Bahadur to come forward to stage to formally confer the badges. We also warmly invite the parents. We sincerely thank the dancing team and the two dancing teachers for their dedication and efforts. Now we have the honor of inviting our special guest, Senior Lecturer Indusiri Abhay Vikrama for the Department of Accounting and Financial Management, University of Raghunath, who has joined us today to grace our ceremony. He is a proud former student of our school, whose achievements have brought pride to his school. We also extend our respectful thanks to the students who performed in the music competition and the two teachers who guided and trained them for this achievement.